guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. I have to, so I'm physically going out stamping papers, but in addition to that, I'm all about that digital space. So it's coming soon. It's gonna be work similar to this notary mentorship. I love it, the way it functions. I'm recording the courses as we speak, and then once all the courses is out, you can come through and you can watch what you want to watch. Again, you may want to do YouTube only. Come through and watch the YouTube course, and weekly we're gonna talk about different ways to build your business. If you're doing YouTube, we're gonna talk about how to build your YouTube channel. If you're doing a blog, we're gonna talk about how to do your blogging. If you're doing social media, just plain out, you want to do IG, Instagram, whatever. So that's coming soon. It'll be closer to the end of the year, but just FYI, it is coming. Hey Miguel, how are you? What's up Miguel? What state are you in? And what other questions do we have? We're gonna start wrapping up, so don't be shy. So Creators Club with Kimmi is coming soon. You're gonna want to get in the club, especially if you have any ideas, if you have a business that you want to grow. So I'm so excited about it. I really am. So it's coming soon. It's gonna be amazing. So Notary is not going anywhere. That's my other channel, so you can join it if you want to. My other channel, if you want to join it, it's Creators Club with Kimmi. It used to be called Business Life with Kimmi, but I went in a different direction. I haven't even announced it to the channel yet, because I haven't been live on that channel or did anything with that channel in a year. So when I do come back over there, it's gonna roll out. Boom. Yeah, it's coming soon. So if you want to go ahead and join so you can see what's going on, you can. It's a lot of videos over there already. People still watching the videos. That's the one thing about YouTube. Miguel is from Mexico. Okay, bienvenido. Welcome. Yeah, when you are doing YouTube, you put videos out and people watch them 10 years later, 5 years later, you know? So that channel is not monetized. That is eventually the goal, of course. You don't want to do nothing and you're not getting paid for it. But that channel is still getting a lot of views. That's another reason why I decided to come back and readdress it. I said, hold up, wait a minute. I showed Jeffrey, I said, look at this. People are really watching these videos. So even my weight loss channel video, I have a weight loss channel, rather, not video. I have a channel. It's called Healthy Life with Kimmi. I went through this. I got all these channels, right? I have three YouTube channels. And the other one, they're actually still watching those videos too. They really are. So I want us to come back to that, me and Jeffrey, and do more like a cooking segment over there, because they love when we cook together. And I'm not the best cook. Jeffrey cooks better than I do. I know sometimes what to do, but he's all about the execution. So I might even come back to that channel one day, because they do love the videos. They still watching those too. So anyway, anything else about notary today? So all things notary, check out notaryeducators.com. Call for questions, because we're going to wrap up. Final call for questions. Check out the mentorship program, either 27 or 47. You got all your ebooks over there, your hardback journals, paperback journals, everything notary. notaryeducators.com. Our next session is coming up tomorrow. I don't remember what it's about, but you can see the schedule at notaryeducators.com. Just scroll down just a wee bit and you can see that, okay? All right, and don't forget to sign up for newsletters and text messages now. That's coming soon. If you have not signed up to get email and text messages, you'll get special discount codes. You'll be getting information like tips. We send out tips every week. Usually twice a week we send out tips. So if you've not signed up for the free emails, check that out. And then also now text messaging is coming. It's set up, but we haven't actually wrote out our first text yet. So when we go live, you'll know when we go live. if anything special happening you need to know about, you know, that'd be a quick way, because most people check their cell phones, right? All right, guys. Well, that's all I got for you. Again, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, I'm Kimmi. Jeffrey, can you say bye?
All right, bye, folks.
Well, hold on.
Bye, everybody.
Okay, and we'll see you guys soon, okay? Until then, much success. Bye.